Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to streamline how you collect and organize project requests, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a simple yet effective project intake process and form right inside Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build and customize your own project intake form, making it super easy to gather all the important details for any new project, without any confusion or missing information. Let's jump right in. First off, creating a project intake form in Smartsheet is actually more straightforward than you might think. We start inside your Smartsheet workspace. Think of your form like the front door to your project process. It's how people will introduce new projects to your team, and it ensures you get the right information from the start. You'll want to begin by adding the specific fields you want to capture for each project request. In Smartsheet, this is as simple as choosing the type of information you need, things like names, emails, project titles, descriptions, priority levels, and due dates. Imagine each of these as a question on your form, and think about what details you and your team will need to evaluate and kick off a new project. Don't be afraid to be specific here. It's much easier to gather details up front than chase them down later. Once you've decided on your fields, just drag each one into your form. Smartsheet makes this super intuitive, just grab and drop. For each field, take a moment to adjust the label, which is simply the name that appears above the field on the form. This is your chance to be clear and friendly for your users. For example, instead of just description, you might write, "Please describe the project in detail." These little touches help clarify exactly what kind of information you're looking for, saving time for everyone down the road. When all your fields look good and you're happy with the way your form is set up, go ahead and click Save. It might not seem like much, but hitting Save here locks in all your customizations and makes the form active. If you're new to Smartsheet, don't worry, this is a great opportunity to play around and practice, and if you want to change anything later, it's easy to edit your form. Now, before you send this out to your team or clients, let's test it together. Click on the form preview. This will let you see exactly what your project submitters will see, which is super handy for catching anything that might be confusing or missing. In the preview, try filling out the fields yourself. Pop in a test name and email, add a project title, a short description, select a priority, like high, medium, or low, and finally, pick a due date for the project. Once you've filled everything in, hit Submit. This part might take a few moments to process, so don't worry if there's a tiny delay. After submitting, go back over to your Smartsheet sheet. That's where you'll see your test entry appear like magic. This step is crucial because it confirms your form is working and the responses are being captured correctly in your sheet. If anything looks off or isn't showing up as expected, it's totally normal. Just head back and tweak your form. And that's it. You now have a functional, customized project intake process and form in Smartsheet. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, drop your questions or tips in the comments. I'm always here to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck building out your project process.